Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you want to delete your Taobao account and you don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So to begin with, you need to open Taobao application on your device. Once you do so, from the bottom menu, select account. Once you tap on account, it will bring you here. From here, you need to choose settings. So once you tap on settings, it will bring you to this menu. From here, you need to go to account and security, and on this menu, right at the bottom, you will find delete account. You need to tap on that. Once you tap on delete account, from this, you need to select the reason that why you want to delete your account. So I will choose security and privacy concern. You can find the reason in this list. If not, then you need to just tap on other reason. Once you tap on other reason, you need to enter the reason here and then tap on next. So once I tap on next, they still ask me that what is the reason. You can handle it, we can handle it or resolve it, but still want to deactivate, just tap on still want to deactivate and it will bring you here. So before you delete your account, you need to go through all of this, and if you still want to delete it, you need to just tap on I have read and agree important notice regarding account cancellation, and you need to tap on next step. So once you tap on next step, it will bring you here. They say to protect your benefit, please confirm again. And this red one will indicate that you want to still go ahead. And then just tap on this. It will take a bit of time. And after that, they say ID verification. And right here, as you can see, account deleted. And you need to tap on confirm, and that is it. Your Taobao account has been deleted. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.